welcome back to my channel. You may call me Miss Introvert. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back and thanks for stopping by again. I want to thank everyone who is watching these videos, even if it is the tiniest handful, for your continued support. This is a safe place for introverts who need some helpful writing advice and some organizational hacks. If you're an extrovert and you enjoy storytelling, scheduling, and all that, then stick around. We've already covered ideas, what to do with them, outlining the 3 P's, people, place, and plot. And now, are we actually gonna start writing? No, I mean, yes. Yes, we are gonna start writing. Okay, that was fast. This video is going to be a key part to writing your book. That's right, we've started writing it. You're now on the path to taking on the giant that is your idea. If you haven't already, check out the previous writing experiment videos in order to catch up on what we've learned so far. And without further ado, let's begin. Number 1, don't give in to procrastination. And I've got this assignment that's due, and this paper I need to write, and a sink I need to clean. Maybe I can start tomorrow. Yes, that sounds like a good idea. Nope, don't start your writing journey off with procrastination. If you procrastinate, you aren't starting. You actually have to begin writing your book. But I don't have any inspiration to write. You can't wait for inspiration to come to you. Keep writing, even if it's just a few sentences in one day. Even if it feels like your brain is constipated. Or do something to make your brain generate ideas. Watch the writing experiment part 1 if you or a loved one is experiencing inspiration constipation. It's a weird phrase. But I'm in school! Then, okay, school is pretty important, but you can even utilize writing to your advantage in school. Practicing writing outside of school definitely helps you write papers, and papers are sometimes not so fun to write. I've been writing for 10 years, and now my record time for writing an essay is 20 minutes. It is doable, just keep practicing.
20 minutes?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. I didn't have much time to prepare the essay, and it probably wasn't that good, but comment below if you want a video on how to write essays.
You should make a video on how to write essays.
I should. Only if the people want it.
I want it.
Stay vigilant and keep up your writing schedule. Which brings me to my next point. Number 2, make a schedule. As my faithful viewers know, I love to make schedules. I have a new planner arriving for the 2020-2021 semesters, and I am ecstatic! Comment below if you love using planners too. What I do is I just take a few days that are free out of my week, or even try to cram some time into busy days and write for 1 hour. When I wake up in the morning, it's the very first thing that I do. Right after I have my quiet time, get ready for the day, make my coffee, check social media, peer into the living room to see what my siblings are watching, say hi to the dogs, maybe go on a walk with them, look at memes my sister sent me, and then it's already 11 o'clock. Frick! Yeah, nobody is perfect at staying on a great schedule. Most of the time, I don't even write for a whole hour and just scrape 3 to 5 pages out of my brain, sometimes without any inspiration. However, I have to keep in mind that my work will eventually pay off, and that I can do this, and that no one is watching or waiting for me to write, and that writing is an outlet for me. It's actually very calming and therapeutic. It's nice, you should try it sometime. Number 3, don't give up. Procrastination may seem unthreatening when you take a short break to go to the bathroom or make a sandwich or get another cup of coffee, but as you keep making these excuses, they will seem to become more necessary as you sit down to write something. I've been there before, it is not a good place. Sometimes you have another idea and a storyline just falls into your lap, and it feels like something from the heavens, or your other book just becomes a work in progress. I have many of those on my computer. They stare me down when I pass them when looking through my notes. It's kind of scary, but soon that idea's radiance will fade as well. Just like people, ideas can get boring, so you've got to treat it like a relationship and stay committed to it. Not literally, but you know what I mean. Or else you're gonna go nowhere. Lin-Manuel Miranda said that he treated his writing process in Hamilton like a love affair. I mean, you don't have to go that far, that might not be healthy, but he got a lot of awards, so don't keep your ideas on hold anymore. You could make them into something amazing, and people will, adore them. You never know what thoughts pop into your head that will lead a generation. BTS was the best thing that ever happened to this generation, and you know it. Also, just know that no one is watching you or waiting for you to finish anything. Another downfall that writers have is editing as they write. which brings me to my next point. I'm on fire today with these segues. Number 4, stop editing. Editing while you write is a bad idea. For me, this is a huge weakness for my writing process. Editing is just what I do on a whim. If there is a typo in a college textbook or handout, I will correct it. If a word is spelled wrong, I will take out the entire sentence and start again. If there is an apostrophe that is not curled, balance will be restored. So yeah, you see where I'm coming from. But not editing while I'm writing is actually helpful. It allows me to write whatever I want freely without thinking about the final project. Editing is a whole other part of the writing process that comes after you've finished the first and most hideous draft you will ever set eyes upon. Then you will have an editing spree on your hands. Good luck and have fun. I mean, I can't get enough of it. And if you don't enjoy writing, hit me up on my Fiverr account. Link's in the description. Another good tip is taking some time out of your day to just free write about whatever you want, also without editing. This is a really good practice for those of us who are editing enthusiasts. And those are just some of the ways you can stay on schedule and stay afloat while writing a book that might not seem worth it at times. This is just my take on the subject. There are plenty of other ways to look at this concept, and you can modify my advice however you'd like. If you liked this video and you want to see more writing experiment videos, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you want to be featured in next week's shoutout, give this video a like and comment what you do to stay on schedule with your routine. I would love to learn more tips because I can get stuck a lot of the time. And this week's shoutout goes to... It means the world to me when you guys are supporting me on this YouTube path, and I really want to make sure you're getting the recognition you deserve. Well, that's all for now, folks. You can follow me on Instagram, check out my blog, and find the writing help you need on my Fiverr account. All the links will be in the description below. And stay basic. Okay, bye!